Hi friends, it's Stephy and welcome to another video on my channel. I still don't know if I'm doing a 12 days of Christmas series or just random Christmas videos until Christmas, but today I'm going to be doing a video tutorial on this makeup look that I have on right now. And I might be doing another one where the eye look is more green and the lips are more red, so stay tuned for that. Before we get started, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram at Stephy Bluebear. So I have one eye done for you guys. This is how it's supposed to look like. So let's just get started. I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution's Reloaded Neutrals 2 palette, which is this one that has all the nice reds and browns and pinks and stuff. So I'm going to be mixing, you can't even see, this red and this like pinkiest peach color together. And we're going to put that on the eyelid. We're going to put it on the crease, like just all over. So now I'm going to blend that out. So now I'm going to be taking the dark red color that's on the top and I'm going to be putting that on the outer corner of the crease. So like I'm going to put some right here and then blend it out that way. I'm also going to blend that out a little bit. Now, I'm going to be taking the red color again, the dark red color, and I'm going to be putting that underneath my eye right here. I'm also going to be taking the other two colors, like the pink and the pink and red color, and also just bring that out a little bit on the bottom, on top of the dark red. And blend that out with a different brush. I'm going to be taking this green color. I'm going to put it on the inner corner of my eyes and also the bottom corner of my bottom lid. So for my actual lid, I'm going to be using a flat brush. And I'm going to be putting it on the inner corner of my eyelid. Yeah, like not a lot, just like halfway. So like halfway like that. And now I'm going to be taking this kind of brush so I could put it on the bottom corner of my eye. So now I'm going to be taking like a very small flat brush and I'm going to be using this ColourPop eyeshadow or Super Shock eyeshadow in the color Set to Stun, and it's like my favorite ColourPop eyeshadows, which is also my only one. And I'm gonna put that on the middle third of my eyelid. So like right here, and just put that on my eyelid. I'm going to be taking the dark shimmer color in the palette and I'm going to be putting it on the outer third of my eye. So like right here. I'm going to be taking my favorite Wet n Wild loose highlighting powder in the color Written Stars from the Zodiac collection. And I'm probably going to say it every video, but it's my favorite. It's my absolute favorite inner corner highlight. I'm going to use this pencil brush to like put inner corner highlight right here. I'm going to be taking this angled eyeliner brush and just kind of smudging it a little bit underneath right here, just so that could be highlighted as well a little bit. Before we do eyeliner, I'm going to be taking this, I'm not sure if it's white honestly, but it's like a white tannish color, and I'm going to put that on my brow bone. What I usually use for my eyeliner is the NYX Matte Liquid Liner in the color black. It looks like this. So now that I have my mascara and eyeliner on, I'm gonna put the final touches. So for a highlight, I'm going to be putting Kat Von D's Alchemist palette, and I'm gonna be using the green emerald color, just so we can have more pop of green on my look. So the very last thing that I'm going to be adding to this look is I'm going to be using this Wet n Wild Mega Lash Liquid Catsuit from the Mermaid collection in the color Siren's Jewel. It is a darker green than what is on my eyes, but I feel like it will go good. And we also need another pop of green on my look. And here is the finished look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. Oh, let me zoom out a little. So I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look, and I hope you guys, you know, think it's a good look for Christmas. I made this look because I thought it would be a good little holiday makeup tutorial. So please let me know what you think, and please comment down below on my videos if you are planning on also trying to like attempt this look as well. I really like to see your guys' photos of your makeup looks that you got off of my videos, so I always get happy seeing those. So please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Comment down below your opinion on my makeup look, and please subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. And until next time, bye.